Hello. Within this video, we'll be taking a look at the license system within Vertex BD. An activation code will have been supplied with the trial or full version of your software you've been provided. This will be a unique code and is linked to your license, within which it will control the options and links that are available within your software. This activation code is required to run the software and will generally be a single seat only code. This means it can only be run from one PC at a time. However, it can be transferred from PC to PC should that be required. This is possible by firstly deactivating the license on the PC it is currently on. To do this, within the software, visit File and then select the This Software Version option. This will then open the About screen with some information about the license, including the license options in the top half of the screen and then a transfer license option below. Clicking Deactivate the license will populate the activation code box with your code. This you can then copy and paste into a text document for use on your other PC. At this point, Vertex will likely close. Once Vertex is open on your new PC, the licensing screen will appear and request an activation code. You can then re-enter your activation code here to successfully activate the license on the PC you've moved the software to. This concludes our video on the license features within Vertex BD and moving your license from one PC to another. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for our next video on creating drawing sheets.